This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Soul brake light. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 2357 brake light bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. Begin by opening your Kia Soul's rear liftgate to gain access to the tail light assembly. Now, locate the 3 or 4 Phillips head screws securing the tail light assembly. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside safely. With the screws out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight away from the vehicle's body. It may be held by a few clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, identify the brake light bulb socket. It's typically the largest one. Twist this socket counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn and pull it out. To remove the old bulb, push it down into the socket and twist it counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. Insert your new 2357 bulb, pushing it down and twisting clockwise to secure it. Now, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it in place. Reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks securely. Align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and gently push it back into position. Reinstall the 3 or 4 Phillips head screws, tightening them firmly. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.